Welcome to It's Rafiq. In today's video I am going to show you how you can do the IndaLab questions of chapter 6, Introduction to Spreadsheet. So first let's see how we can solve question number 1. You can see the question on the screen. The science teacher has asked the student to make a table giving information about the national parks in India. Tarini has created the worksheet given on the next page with the title List of National Parks in India. Help her to format the worksheet by changing font color, size, apply border and shading. So the preview is already given in the next page, List of National Parks in India. Here from cell A till D, from the first row is merged. For that we'll select cell from A till D. We will select and we'll do click on merge and center. Then this 4 cell will be merged, and as here you can see the B column is little wider, so we'll make it little bigger than others, and the C column also, C and D. As we have done, now we'll write at first row list of national parks in India, and it should be in bold, and we can take a different style also from here. And from here we can change the text size. Suppose it's 16. So now we'll write here list of national parks in India. Now in cell A2 we'll write serial number as dot NO. In cell B2 we'll write name, then state, then stub listing. Now we'll come to next row. Here we'll write serial numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and here we'll write the name of the national parks. Kaziranga National Park. State Assam, established in 1974. Number 2, Gir National Park. Established in 1965. State is Gujarat. Established in 1965. I'm not going to write all the parks name, it will take time. So if it takes time, then my video will be too long, it will be quite boring. So now I'll show how you put border on the table. First select the table from cell A2 till D7. After that, in font group click on border, and from here select all borders. Selected. Now select the first row. As in your book you can see in the first column the A column is aligned is center, so click on center align. Now everything came in center. Now select the second row where serial number, name, state and established are there. Make it bold, and from the text style select another one style, suppose this one, and from the fill color you choose a good color, suppose this one. Now you have to put color in the information, so you can select all the information same color or different. Suppose I want to give in serial number different colors, in names different color, and in state it's different color, establish also different color. So this way we can do formatting. Now list of national park, here as I have written N small, now I want to make changes. I want to make the N in capital. So you will double click and move the cursor till N, press backspace and type capital N. Now it's correct. Now to change the text color, click on A button, from there select your color. So this way we can do question number 1. Here we have done color, size, border, this all. Now suppose I want to change the sheet name to question number 1. So double click on sheet 1. Here you can write Q1. Now we'll move to question number 2. Here given the geography teacher has asked the student to create a worksheet given information about the total forest cover in India. Chandra has created worksheet so alongside with the title forest cover in India. The teacher asks Gunjan to make the following changes. So first we'll make the worksheet, then we'll do question number 2 in sheet 2. Make it little zoom. So the first here 2 cells are combined together. So we'll select 2 cells and do margin center. And the first column is little wider, so we'll make it wide. And in title we'll write forest cover of India. And in second column or second row it's name, and here written area. And here you noticed that kilometer per square is written in below. For that we'll first make the column or row height little wide, and we'll make the alignment at in area. We'll press alternate and enter key together. Now here we'll write K M then 2. Kilometer per square. Now we'll write the names of the area: very dense forest. It's 83471. Next, moderatory, dense forest. Third one, open forest. And the areas are 320736. Last one 287820. Now question number A, change the alignment of heading in row 2. This one is row 2. Here we have to change the alignment. Suppose I want to do top, then from alignment group we can select top align. This done. Number B, change the font size and color of the data. So we have to change the font size and color. Suppose for the first heading or the table name, we'll make the text size is 14. Text size this one and make it bold. Now for the row heading or column heading, we'll make it bold, some different text style. Text color will be little different. Now we'll come to information. Here we'll put this color text and size is 12. Question number C, apply border and shading of the to the cells. For that, first we'll select the table. We'll click here and select all borders. Now we have to put shading. For that, first I will select the column heading. From here we'll select a color, suppose yellow color, and for the information we'll select the information and we'll select from here a color. Now here you can see that the row number 4 is a bit hidden, so we have to make the row more wider. We can do like this way. So this way we can do the question number 2. Now rename the sheet name to question 2. Now come to question number 3. Yes, Yasita has studied about protein content in different carols. She had created the worksheet given in figure A. Her teacher wants her to make the changes so that the worksheet appear as shown in figure B. First we have to make the sheet. For that we'll go to sheet 3, make it zoom, so first we'll make the table. First column is CEREALS protein, in grams. Oh sorry, here in one box, one cell only written everything. In GMS oblique 100 GM of Carol. First wheat, then bajra, then rice. Protein percentage are 11.8, 11.6, 6.4. So she have created this worksheet. Now we have to change to figure B. Means we have to write this protein in grams in same. First we'll make the column little wide. We'll put border, all borders. We'll put background color as gray, light gray. Now we'll make the column row height little wide. This much will enough. Now in double click in that protein cell. After protein in, Alt and enter. After GM, Alt and enter. Now alignment is center. For that we'll select first two cells and select center. So this way we can do the question number 3. Now we'll move to question number 4. Here Saksham is the class monitor and has asked to make the list of students and the buses available by them. Help them to make the list and do formatting, set appropriate column width and row height, set proper font size and color. So first we'll write the column heading name. Suppose it's like a roll number, name, bus number, then phone number. And at top we'll combine the cell and write the class name. Merge and center, suppose class 9. Now we don't need roll number column too wide, so we'll make it little smaller. Name column will need little wide, so we'll make it bigger. Phone number also will need little bigger, so we'll make it little big. Now we'll write here roll numbers. Suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and here the names. Suppose it's Awake, Anisha, Kabita, now we'll write the bus number. Suppose Awake is going by bus number 4, Anisha is going by bus number 2, Kabita is going by bus number 4, Sayanika is going by bus number 1, Risa is going by bus number 2, and here their phone numbers. I am just writing some random numbers. So our information, we have already added the information in the table. Now we have to do the formatting work. First we'll make the row height of number 1 row little wide. Then make the text size as 16. Change the text style to Algerine. Now we'll put border to the table, all borders. Now the row heading, column heading should be a little bit different. For that, first we'll take the background color as little dark color. Suppose it's dark blue. Text color is white color. Font is Cambria headings and bold. Now you have to put the information's background color. Select the information. From here we'll put light blue. So this way we can do question number 4. In sheet 4 we'll write Q4. Now come to question number 5. The computer teacher has asked the students to create the following using the autofill feature. The first series is from like 5, 10, 15 till 100. For that, first we'll write 5, second box we'll write 10, means we need the multiple of 5. Then we'll select these two cells, 5 and 10, means cell A1 and B1. After selecting this cell, come to right corner of the cell. When the mouse pointer changes to plus sign, then drag it till it goes 100. So my series is done. Here you can see 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 and on and so on. The question number B, make the series of Sunday till Saturday. So first box you will write Sunday. Next, then for this type of series you no need to write the second name. Only for numbers you have to write two numbers. For that, now you can come to the corner of the cell and drag it till Saturday. This way you can do question number B. Now question number C, you have to write the month name from January till December. For that, first write January, then come to the corner of the cell and drag it till December. So it's done. Now question number D, Monday, Tuesday, Saturday, not in full form, now in short. Already we have written Sunday, Monday in full. Now we have to write in short. So we'll write MON. Now come to the corner of the cell and drag it till Sunday. For month name also we can do this one, like JAN, and we can drag it. Then we'll get the first three initial of the month. Now for the numbers, suppose I want the series serial numbers 1, 2, 3. For that we can write 1, 2, select these two numbers and drag it till how much you need. This way we can get the consecutive numbers. And if you number of particular tables, suppose I need the number of tables of 3, then we can write 3, 6, select these two numbers and drag it. So like this we will get the table of 3. And remember, for numbers, to get the series of numbers we have to write at least two numbers. But to get the series of Sunday, Monday or January, February, we have to write just one. If we write just, suppose I need a table of 3 and I just write 3 here and drag it, the next number will be 3 only. For this we have to write at least two numbers. Suppose I am required 4 table, then 4 and 8. Then these two we can select and drag this way. Now if you need the series of letters like A, next one is B, you will not get the series of letters. And if you need a custom series, then you can go to File, Options, Advanced, scroll down, Edit Custom List. Here you can add your own list. Suppose I need the list of grades like A1, A2, these all. So first I will write A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, C2, D, F. After writing the names, click on Add and OK. again OK, and to create this series just write A1 and drag it. So you will get the series which you have already created: A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, C2, D, F. So this way you can solve the practical questions of spreadsheet. This page you can keep name as Q5, this Q3, this is question number 1, this is question number 2, question number 3, question number 4 and question number 5. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye.